Hello, everyone. I am so excited to tell you about my Santa's Workshop projects for 2024. I've got several different classes that you can do as part of Santa's Workshop. You can join me for my in-person event, or you can participate by mail. So there will be a lot of details in the description here, so check that out for all of those little things that you need to know, but the focus of this is to show you the awesome projects. So my first class is a gift card treat box, and I'm just going to show you a couple of examples here. Both of them feature the Sentimental Christmas designer paper and this really pretty satin shaded spruce ribbon. So the box is the perfect size for a gift card. It's got a little bit of depth to it, about an inch, and it's food safe. So if you have some little candies or treats that you want to put in a gift box, this will work great for that. Or like I said, perfect size for a gift card. You will make a total of 4 boxes, so you'll get 4 boxes. You'll get quite a bit of designer paper, so you can make them all 4 look like this pattern if you want, or put stockings on all 4. You'll also get a full spool of this ribbon. So if you're here at the class, you can use my little stamp for someone special. If you're not, then you can use your own stamps and ink to make a little tag on there, or you can just simply leave that part off. So this class is $15 to make 4 boxes. The next one I want to tell you about is my hot chocolate treat. This is just such a cute little pouch that's made with designer paper. So you can see there's a couple of different patterns here, another pattern for the band that goes across, and it's the perfect size for a sweet little pouch of hot chocolate. This would be a great gift for a coworker, when you run into the post office or the bank or anywhere you want to just brighten someone's day with a little treat. Let them know that you're thinking of them. Again, you'll get the supplies like these labels and the baker's twine. If you're here at my class, you can use my stamps and my Stampin' Blends to complete these 2 parts. If not, you can use your own stamps and ink at home. You can use any image that you want down here. Even our ephemera packs with different Christmas images would work great on a project like this. So you make 3 of the hot chocolate pouches, and those are $8 to make 3. You will get 12 pieces of 6x6 designer paper, so some different patterns. You can mix and match what you want, and you'll also get the hot chocolate packets to put in the pouch that you make. So that is the second option. Third up, we have Shepherd's Care Christmas cards. These are some really pretty cards made with the Shepherd's Care stamp set. This is one where, to make them exactly as shown, you do need that stamp set. If you're here at the class, you can use my stamps and ink. You can substitute anything you want to create them on your own. This class includes supplies to make 16 cards. So there's 4 designs, and you will do 4 of each. Each of them have something a little special in there. You've got the pretty peacock and gold ribbon. On this one, you've got some ribbon here and gems, and you've also got the gold foil paper. There's gold foil paper on this and some Blackberry Bliss ribbon and gems. And then this one here has foil paper and gems as well. So they're pretty simple, quick and creative cards, but they each have something special on them. So again, this class, you make 4 of each for a total of 16. You'll get a half package of designer paper as well as a full package of iridescent foil gems. Another card kit that I have is the Snowy Scenes. This one also makes 16 cards. This time it's 16 different cards. You get a half package of the Snowy Scenes designer paper and a full package of basic rhinestones. 16 different designs. I'll just show you a few of them so you can kind of get an idea of what to expect. This one, there is no stamping at all shown on any of these. Obviously, you can use whatever ink and greetings you might have to add a sentiment on the inside, or if you wanted something additional on the front, you can certainly do that. But this one, as is, contains no stamping at all. You get all the supplies to make the 16 different cards. With both the Snowy Scenes and the Shepherd's Care, you do get envelopes for those too. I don't think I mentioned that. Next up is the Card Keeper box. This is pretty big, so it's a little bit a little bit awkward to show on the video. This box is a pretty big storage box. I did not measure it. I probably should have. I'm gonna guess it's about, I don't know, 6 by 9 or so. It's pretty big. So this is the average card that we make, and you can see like plenty big to store the cards in. So first I just want to pull this in. You do get instructions how to assemble the box and all of the cards. There's 10 cards that this kit makes. You get supplies to make 5 of these with envelopes and 5 of this one with envelopes, no stamping at all on these cards. And what's cool is that not only is this a storage box, but it comes with dividers. And it's got different little stickers you put on here. I chose birthday, thank you, special occasion, love and support, miscellaneous, and seasonal. So it's a great way to organize your cards. This would be an excellent gift to give to someone with 10 handmade cards and a way for them to organize any cards that they make or purchase throughout the year. It's also one of those that it's kind of nice to make and keep for yourself too. I tend to do that at Christmas time. I'm hoping I'm not the only one. All right, next up is a box of cards. This is what I like to call a paper pumpkin mashup. So I took some cards from previous paper pumpkin kits and just took a few and combined them. Look at those envelopes, by the way. You see that foil on there? Such pretty cards. So you make 3 of those and 3 of these, so you have 6 cards total. You also get an acetate box so that you could put the 6 cards and envelopes in there and give that as a gift. This is $14 to create the 6 cards, and you get the acetate box. Here is another option for a box of cards, these wood grain envelopes. These 3 also former paper pumpkin cards. These are, could be a little bit masculine if you need some more masculine cards. And then there's these envelopes with these foiled greetings on there. So 2 options for boxes of cards. Each have 6 cards, 6 different cards, and the acetate box. And finally, I'm going to pull in the festive tags. These are sweet little tags, perfect for your package or gift bag. You make 5 of these, 1 of each, for just $4. There's no stamping on these either. They just make some really sweet little gift tags. They all have gems and some gold foiled elements. Really, really quick and creative projects here. So that is what I have for you for my Santa's Workshop 2024. There's cards, there's tags, there's all occasion cards to give away. Don't forget about the sweet little hot chocolate packet, the gift card treat boxes, and of course that card keeper box that would be a most excellent gift. Like I said, check out the description here for all of the details. Registration deadline is November 16th. You can easily do these by mail. The only one that would be at all tricky is this right here. You would need the Shepherd's Care stamp set to complete these exactly as shown, or you can get the supplies and sub out any other stamps and ink that you've got at home. So let me know which cards you would like to do. Check out the description, which projects you would like to do, I should say. Like I said, easy to do by mail. Get some Christmas projects and gifts checked off of your list. All right, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.